Hey, it's Luana, and I'm here to show you the young adults gotta cook. Today's video is part 3 in our mini-series, and we're gonna be making a meatball sub casserole. If you missed the last 2 videos on how to make our easy Italian meatballs or our tomato sauce recipe, I'll leave links right up above. But without further ado, let's get started. Ingredients you'll need are French bread, cream cheese, Italian blend cheese. You'll also need some mayo and the meatballs from the meatball recipe we previously made, as well as tomato sauce, but you can use canned tomato sauce if you'd like. You also need some dried parsley, dried oregano, and dried basil. Alright, so the first step is to take your softened cream cheese and add your mayo, dried herbs, and Italian blend cheese and mix it till it's well incorporated. I like to use a hand mixer, but you can do it by hand if you'd like. Then you're going to want to cut your bread into 1.5 inch thick slices, but unlike me, make sure you use a serrated bread knife and also make sure your cutting board is not slipping and sliding around. In a greased baking dish, add the bread, and fair warning, you might have to play a little bread Tetris. Then slather on that cheesy cream cheese mixture, and I know it sounds a little strange, but it's really good, so you're going to want to use all of it. In a separate bowl, dump the tomato sauce over the meatballs and mix it up to combine. Then dump that all over the bread. Place into a preheated oven set to 350 degrees for 30 minutes or until the internal temperature of the meatballs reaches 165 degrees. The last step is to top with cheese and broil it till it's golden brown and bubbly. That's all it takes to make a nice meatball sub casserole. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, please leave it a big thumbs up, subscribe, and I'm not too sure what I'm doing for next week's episode. So in the comment section down below, leave what you'd like to see me make. Aloha, and I'll see you next Friday.